fuck are you doing, man? Let's get hit by a fucking car. Oh, bro. Ah, that fucking hurt. Excuse me. Yo, thank you for the 20 pimp. Oh, a bird just shit on me. Oh my fucking god, are you serious? Yo, my city, I just got shit on by a bird. I'm not playing. Yo, look at this. Dude, get away from my chair, bro. Just go the other way. Yeah, who's fucking scared? Jesus! Just get out of here, bro. Stop! Just get the fuck away from here. Fat little fucker. Why you gotta make it so difficult for me, bro? Invasive fucking species. God, please don't pop on me or anything. Oh, what the fuck? Do you squirt poison on me? Alright. Oh shit, I'll drop that. Are you ready? Ready? Yeah, guys, I'm leaving the chat up here because this is the world's most dangerous. Ah! Oh my god, I just got bit by something. Oh, I just got bit by something. Oh, come back, someone stabbed me. I just got stung by a bee or something. What is this? No, I just got stung by something. Oh, what is this? Look at this. This just hit me. What is this? Ow, it hurts so bad. What the fuck is that?
A bee.
Ah, I'm allergic to bee stings. This hurts so bad. What is this? Oh, this fucking hurts. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. What is that?
Oh, mate, you're never going to recover from this.
Michael, hold on, wait. You should at least do my head too.
Yeah, I will do. Give me a look. Look. See what I can do now. Hang on.
You give me the Hitler stash?
Yep.
You fucking...
Have a look at that, son.
What the fuck? Whoa, what is that? Did you see that? Is that a sea urchin? Yo, it's gone. Dude, it's something with a bunch of... Holy fuck, I've never seen whatever that just was. Did you guys see that? It was like a little... It looked like it was a ball with a lot of spikes. Actually, it was this thing. What is this? Is this just a fucking piece of plant? I'm literally losing my fucking mind, mate. Holy shit, dude, I've gone insane. I've gone fucking insane. Ah! Or it's a fucking small mackerel again. Oh no. Look at the fish is taking it.
Yeah.
Can you try
Because
to hook it with another one?
hey, I just that's a big shark, bro.
Come and have a look around this way.
Oh, what's up, cuz? Fuck you, I told you to get the fuck out of here, mate. Now you gotta make me fucking ruin your goddamn thing. He ain't never coming back. I told you yesterday, mate, get the fuck out of this one. Come on. Come on, bro. I got him! I fucking got one! Yes! 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 Look at this dingo! I just caught my motherfucking first one! Let's go, baby! Ah!
The Air Force gliding, I don't know, I'm scared. Yes! Oh, what's that?
Holy shit!
Who the fuck puts his face on the fucking boiling pot? Shit! Get
You can throw something at it. Shut up. Yeah. Is that important?
That's what she. I asked her for something and she brought that out. Yes, you can throw that. That was so fucking loud, bro.
Australia. I know how Australia works. I've lived here my whole life.
Probably your neighbors think someone just got shot. It's peaceful as fuck.
Yeah, we are pregnant now. I'm fuck his ass. He fucked my ass.
No, you did not. No, you did not. I came in him and he came on the floor.
Yes, oh, he hit him once. Yes, oh, he hit him once. Yes, oh, he hit him once. He hit him once, dude. He hit him once. He hit him once. He hit him once. Who's seeing stars right now?
I'm getting back in if he's not.
Turn around, so do the other way as well. Yeah, nice.
All right. Thank you. Come out of the surf. Don't get off in the surf. Don't get off in the wash. I got two! We got two! We got fucking two! We fucking did it, Jim! We fucking did it, bro! Let's go, dude! And they're both... Yes! 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 We got it! Two keepers, one fucking cast. Let's go, my city! Are you getting a... What is that, man? Oh, you're under the gun? That'd be sick if you just went... Whoa, what? Shut up, no way. You made it do that, bro. No, because somebody clipped that. Because, what the fuck? There's no way, dude. Matze, did you guys see that? I have to watch that again. Do you know what? He's actually getting abducted. That was insane. You knew it. You were counting, bro. No. You're like the Rain Man of you're like the Rain Man of alien signs. You got way more muscle, cuz. Don't let him talk to you like that.
You got muscle. Oh, you dick.
Did his fucking shoe just go through the tree? What the fuck? Sorry, I'm going. It was a great idea. We made it. Ha ha! Oh shit, bike's about fucking killed me. Holy shit, did you guys see that? Had them by the edge of their seats. Oh shit. Oh shit. What the fuck is, oh shit. God damn, this bitch is blowing smoke. Are you guys seeing this right now? Did I put the wrong oil in this thing? What the fuck is happening? Yeah. Count your eye. Yo, Durble, thank you for subscribing. I talked to my friends.
Dude with things on him. I love you.
Are you rapping right now?
I wish.
Oh shit. What the fuck? Somebody clip that. 60 seconds, let's go. Oh my god. Oh yeah, right, bro. Bro. Oh fuck this, dude. There's no way. That's number 2, bro. Oh, bro. No way. Oh, that hurts so bad.
Really?
You want 1 and 2, right? There's this one.
kayo sa tabi-tabi yan. Lahat. Puta, puro mga plastic na pala yan.
Kondom, diba? Dami dun.
Oh. Holy cow. Oh, did it land on Mox? Mox? A coconut fell on Mox? What the fuck? Alright, give me a good throw, dude. Don't be a fucking bitch. Just whip this motherfucker. That's a perfect throw. Let's fucking go, man.
Let's fucking go, Ozzy, oi, oi, oi!
Yeah, she's like a lady.
Now, come here. Hey, come here, mate. Say goodbye to Anita.
I'm doing that right now, man.
What's better than typing is words.
Good night,
Use your words. No. What the fuck? You said good night, Anita. Mate, that was the most